Hello YouTube, Copper King Recycling, and today on the table I've got a car stereo. Looks like it's got a bunch of different options for compressed I don't see anything on it. Compressed technology, that's what I was trying to say. What I do see is a bunch of screws on here. Oops, we're trying to lose them. Let's get Mr. Check it out. So, that one out. That one out. That one out. That one out. Come on. Let's get this off here. Maybe. Let's try this. Nope. Oh, there we go. Whoa, that's loud. Different connectors here. Check out all this wiring another time. Over there for now. This one's going to be in there for a minute. Let's take these off. Really? Let's try this one again. Well, that's not helpful. There's the other heads. Need a fatter head with a pointed edge. Yeah. Let's try this one. It's probably too big. Let's find out. Get in the hole. Uh-oh. That could be a problem. Well, let's take out the rest and see what we can do. Probably get around it with a hammer. Screws. There's another one. Off. Get them all? Oh. No, those are still sitting in there. Let's try that. There we go. So still got that one on there. Get a pry bar. Sure, now you're loose. Oh yeah. Be able to get past that. No problem. Maybe, he said. Well. Oh, there we go. I got it. What's that? This is a piece of aluminum. I thought that was plastic at first. Well, a little dusty, but that's alright. Cool. Alrighty. Keeping that. You are broken. This tiny little fan here. So adorable. Jacked it up. Really? It's going to be one of those that doesn't want me taking it apart. That's fine. I've got a hammer. Got a couple hammers just for this occasion. Small motor. Told you were coming on. Disorganized now. Come here, tiny motor. Ooh, that is a metal. Look, there's copper right there. I see you. Busted. Yeah. What's this? Ow, that is sharp still. Why are you so... This off? Maybe. Yeah, break it off. Then that comes off, then that comes off. Kind of just falls apart once you start breaking it. Okay. Tiny little circuit board on there. Very tiny little circuit board. Oh, come on. Well, I think this is too well constructed. Oh, here we go. I got it. Wow, look at that. Two little pieces of copper. How do we get, oh, they're glued in there. There we go. Well, that was worth it. Those little pieces of copper right there. Copper wire. That's why they had to glue them in place. Strange. Mine. And this little. Oh. Well, look at that little piece of brass in the center. Oh, yeah. I think that's copper and brass. I can't remember how that goes. I'll tear it apart and figure it out. Put it in there. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Okay. Screwdriver. This. Gently take that off. So that's steel. And there's more screws. Screws around one side. Weird. I think my battery's about to die. That's okay. Oh, it's that right there. That is brass? Maybe that's copper. It's not steel. Cool. Here's all the screws hiding. Guess we're gonna just layer cake this thing. Okay. Oh, that's a, oh, looky what I just found. That looks like gold right there. Let's get this apart. Check it out. What am I missing? Mr. Hammer! Oh, really? That looks like 100% garbage. Check out my playlist, Plastic America. world of plastic recycling right now is atrocious. There's more garbage. But looky, that's gold. And then under here, can't get under there. Switch. Plastic. But there should be, oh yeah, I can see there's copper in here. A little brass maybe. Nice. Gold. Let's see what else is on here. Oh yeah, silver right there. Cool. That's a keeper. Let's see what else we can find in here. There's more gold. More screws. This thing has got so many screws. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We have met screws too small. That's okay. I'll work around. Or do I? Let's try. None of those heads. Let's try this one. So lose it. Ooh. I don't think that's working. No. No, I don't think that's working. So, I'm going to have to go about this a different way. Yeah. Let's try some of this. Get in there. Come apart. Oh, wait. Get this crowbar right here. And now the more tabs I pull, the looser this thing will become. Oh, something like that. So. Yeah, what's up now, buddy? That's how this come open, right? Oh, a stubborn piece. Didn't want to come off. And then I made it come off. So I don't have the right size head for this piece. But I am going to have to take it apart because I want my gold. Yeah, I don't have the right size head for these tiny little screws right here. That or I was doing it wrong. Let's try this one more time. No, it's not even fitting in there. Never mind, we'll try this piece another time. Continue tearing this big guy apart. There's some brass in here. Ooh. Well, let's see how we can delicately take this apart. Let's try that screw. sun. Yeah. Oh, I see what they've done. Okay. Oh, there they are. Should have known, it's a riser. Can't see the riser head. There we go. That's not it. Let's try. There we go. There we go. What's this? Oh. Metal, that's what it is. Zero, tin, whatever you want to call it. There we go. Take this off. Deal with these wires another time. Get you off. Deal with you another time. There we go. Deal with another time. Not a lot on this board. Some silver here, some IC chips, some brass risers. Yeah, that's cool. Here, I'll take those off. Yep, those are brass risers. Cool. So I got a couple brass pieces, some copper, some silver, some gold. Those look like gold pins too. Wow. Alright, let's take this apart. I don't see any more screws helping me out. What I do see is a bunch of tabs. See 2 tabs. Ooh, there's some copper. I didn't see those sitting there. Yeah. Alrighty. How do we get this apart? Get those tabs off. What are the other ones? That's how you get it off. More plastic garbage. Those are going to be a minute. Got them stamped through. Figure out how to get these things off. Maybe it'll be easy. Yeah. Whoa. Alrighty. Nice. That is steel and brass. Nice. Electronics give me some nice little treasures. These. Oh, hey, this one even came with a CD. Looks like a bootleg. Let's continue getting this apart. Take this off. Maybe. Wait, there's 3 brass razors? I only saw 2. Well, I got 3 in here. Yeah. Was there a 4th one that I just didn't see? Anywho. How do we get you off there? Looks like 2 tabs. Yeah, I'm going to have to come back to this big guy. Got some little copper pieces in here. Some chips, some silver. I'm going to get those off though. Brass collection. Yeah, that's how you get it off. Just rip it off. Ouch. Uh-oh. A little blood. A little blood loss. No biggie. First time I bled for scrap. Yeah. Come loose. Yeah. Tear it apart later. What I do want is my brass pieces right here. There's my copper. Did I say brass pieces? These are copper. Copper pieces in there. Collect them, break them down one day. Get in there. This is cool though. In the aluminum bin. So I'll tear this board apart more at another time. Ah, I did bleed a little. Let's see what's in here. How do we get in here? Let's see any screws. I do see some tabs. Some IC chips, some copper, some gold flashing in here. There's a CD. What? Some silver. Silver right there. Very nice. Get that all together at another time. Let's see a screw there. Try this method. Oh, yeah. That works out. Oh. There was 2 springs in here. They are now over there. Or steel, tin, whatever. Oh, hey. A CD. Yay. What in the world? There we go. Hey, look, I got it out. Oh. Do a little silver recovery on that some other time. Yeah, what's this? Oh. Roller bar. Lots of, nothing in this. Lots of tin. Oh, I don't know how I get this out of here, though. Well, let's just start ripping it apart and see what happens. As is the case with most scrap. Start breaking it apart. You don't have to be a technician. You just have to want to see what's in here. That's a weird little roller. Oh, that's for the CD to go in and out. Okay, I was like, why is there a rubber roller in here? Yep. Okay, add that to the tin pile. And a bunch more springs. This thing's got a lot of springs in it. Oh, there's a little motor right here. Forgot about that. There's a motor. There's a motor. Oh, I thought that was a motor there, maybe. Lots of plastic. Alright, so let's break it. That's how you get it off. Just break it. Let's try to break it. Oh. or you suddenly see there's a screw right there. You can take that out. Oh, it comes off so much easier now. That's weird. IC chips. Hey. Weird little copper piece right here. And some gold flashing. Yeah, another chip. Alright, let's get this little piece off. This little teeny tiny brass piece right here. I mean, I keep saying brass. These are copper. I think the Copper King would be more in tune with copper and not just say whatever he thinks he should say. I'm not even really thinking, I'm just saying things. Yep. Oh, that's just a sticker. Yeah. Cool. Go through those boards at another time. How do we know this is copper? Because if you break it, you can see there's copper. Of course, YouTube, you can't see it. That's alright, YouTube. You can just trust me. Yeah, start trusting people on the internet. Good idea. No one take my advice. Just an amateur scrapper, having fun, finding copper, and a bunch of screws. Dang, I thought microwaves had a lot of screws. You're off there. Did it this time. Alright. Take these and gently pull that apart. There we go. Gently. There we go. Yeah. Cool. Some copper. Copper. Yeah, it's a little motor in here. But I was wondering, is this tin also very shiny? Well, look at that. That's some stainless steel right there. Oh wait, is it? Thought I had some steel there for a second. This motor off. Yeah. It's very cool. Oh, I know what this is. This is the laser reader. You can see the eye. So yeah, there's a little copper in there. Got these two motors. Oops. Cool. Didn't see that screw. No, still can't. Alright, let's try this. Oh, really? Let's try this. There we go. One little copper motor. And then this one comes off Oh, I see you hiding your tricks in here. Probably won't get this. Let's try that one more time. Oh, plastic, garbage. Seriously though. Tin. Those springs I dropped. Several. So there's another little motor. A little bit of copper in here. Tin. And oh, this is the one. Another little spring. Plastic. Let's see if I can get these off. Oh yeah, cracked it. Turn that? Nope. Crack that one out. What the hey? I think it just come right out. This thing's full of screws. Just pass that cost right on to the consumer. They don't care. Or if the price of steel affects the cost of your car stereo. All these screws they use, I don't think so. Another little motor. I'm getting all this off here. One way or another, it's coming apart. Mr. Hammer's right there looking at me. Put me in, coach. Don't worry, Mr. Hammer. You're always on the... That was the sound of things flying. Where's my... Nope, that's steel for sure. Never mind. Put that in the bin. Put that in the bin. I'm going to take this one gently off. There we go. Just gently remove that. And then get all the pieces you need. Here. Of course, this is what I want right here. I'm going to gently remove this. There we go. Gently remove it. Oh yeah. Gold. say that because I'm not sure. There's a little gold in there. Go with me, gold. Then I want this piece of gold. There we go. There we go. That's silver or gold? That is silver. Where is the silver bin? Right here. One of a couple. Is that one gold? Oh. That looks like more silver. Never mind. There we go. Small stash of silver right there. Oh yeah. This is tin. So, shred. I give him my other little motor. I will gently remove. There we go. Gently remove some more of this garbage on here. No, screws. More screws, of course. What in the world? That's brass right there. Another brass riser. Cool. Plastic garbage. Oh, don't see that. Screws everywhere. Oh yeah, there's like 3, 4 little motors. That's cool. Another one. A little bit of copper hiding in there. I will get it. Teeny tiny little circuit board. I can see there's copper in here. And more screws. Kidding me. I guess they need these things to be durable. You're going to be one of those people that cranks your music up really loud so everyone around you can enjoy it no matter how much they don't want to. Yeah, cool. That's some micro scrapping right there. Getting the copper out of here and here. I mean, you think this is small. And more tin. More tin. More tin. And that screw will have to be found in another date. Stupid plastic. There's quite a bit of plastic in this thing. Fair amount of metal, but as usual, crap load of plastic. So let's get the brass off here. Cool. That's mine. Alright. We got some cool things out of here. A bunch of worthless plastic. Oh, this is from something else. Yeah. Some motors here. This is a big old board that I still got to tear apart. It's got some good stuff on here still. Take care of that another time. Copper. These little doodads. Some brass. Some copper. Some motors will have copper. The eye. Some gold on here. Yeah, there's a little bit of gold in this. So that's cool. Thanks for watching. Copper King out.